welcome to year 3, friends. It's year 3 of the Detroit Lion rebuild. My goal was going to be 4 wins. I got Aaron Rodgers. I think I'm going to at least go 8-8. But week 1 is the Packers, so it's a nice revenge game. I'm going to do something real quick. I cut, to make some money, I cut Taylor, my left tackle, and I re-signed him for like $6 million. So I'm going to put him on the trade block because I got 2 young studs. This guy is a star rating, and he's also a star. So I'll give up 9 points, but he's like so much younger and cheaper. So that's it. Hopefully I can get like a couple draft picks for Taylor or a draft pick. All right. Aaron Rodgers, here we go. First game is against the Packers at home now, so not back to, All right, we're 76 overall. That's good. Home game. First game of the year with Aaron Rodgers is a home game against the Packers. Love it. Couldn't write it any better myself. Jonathan Jones. I signed Chase Edmonds. Apparently he's starting now, so that's cool. Zach Gregory. Gary versus Rashad Gary. Are they brothers? DJ Jones. I think he was a good signing. I think this defense... I think I just needed a quarterback. So let's see. I got Aaron Rodgers for, I think, 2 or 3 years. But I think I can cut him after this season. We'll see. Start with the defense. Jordan Love. This is your game now. Your show. Let's go. Nice tackle. That a boy. Bobby Wagner coming for Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers convinced him to come to Detroit because you know what? We coming for it. We get in a ring this year. Aaron Rodgers is going to take us to the promised land. That might be a first down. Nope, 4th and 1. Nice stop. Nice stop. Jonathan Jones, a nice pickup. Tariq Cohen. All right. First drive. I think I'm going to bomb it. First play. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, boy. Maybe I should just run it. Wow. What a... Oh, I also have J.J. Watt. Damn, Aaron. Really? You had to fumble the first play? Oh. Dropped it. Thank you. Field goal. Okay, team. That's not bad. I'm fine. A field goal. Oh, my God. Wow. Fuck you, computer. Wow. All right. John Ross. I expect a big year from you, John Ross. I think Aaron could get you that ball. Wow. Cohen. Cohen's my boy. Oh my God, Aaron. Oh my God. Why is everyone not catching the ball? Oh my lordy. We're falling apart, boys. Falling apart. Jeff Okuda, why are you even... My lordy. Thank you. Way to make up for it, Jeff Okuda. Way to make up for it. Attaboy, new tight end. Aaron Rodgers' new best friend. Cruise control. Chase Edmonds, alright. Oh my... Will Fuller, dude. What is going on? Whew, killing me, dog. That's a... Oh! Wow. I can't even blame the last two drives on Aaron. I mean, he's put it on the money. What a waste of an interception by Okuda. I'm thinking the defense is playing out of this world. I mean, that touchdown wasn't on them. That touchdown was bullshit. Aaron, I might need to go make a trade to get a wide receiver that can actually catch the ball. Oh my lordy. That... Gary. Attaboy. Run defense. Attaboy. Flag. Holding. Has to be holding. Holding. Thank you. Try to get him out of field goal range there, boys. Nice tackle. Oh, JJ. Attaboy. That's fine. 10-0. Not how I imagine Aaron Rodgers' first game, but I mean, that fumble really wasn't on him. I shouldn't have gone trying to prove a point. I gotta find a receiver that can catch the ball, because Aaron can still get the ball to where it needs to go. I just gotta find a receiver that's able to catch the ball. John Ross is just a Ferrari just waiting to be unleashed. Broken ribs, cool. Wow. Wow. Oh, lordy, that was me. That was on me. I tried to force it. Jesus. Trying to get Hutchinson and J.J. Watt on the field together, but oh, we got the first down. He got the first down. Damn. Wow. Aaron Rodgers is kind of pissed he came to Detroit. He is hella pissed. He's hella pissed. He said, why the hell did I come to Detroit? Why on God's green earth did I think I could fix Detroit? Oh, fumble that. BG, nice tackle, boy. Welcome back to Michigan, my friend. Don't even show Marcus Mariota. All right. 13-0. Not looking good. I mean, new team, new jitters. John Ross is going to break one of these, dude. I mean, I think he's just going to break it. Got a minute and 13 with 2 timeouts, Aaron. Let's see if what we can do. Let's find your go-to receiver. Oh, he caught it. Oh, my lordy. Oh, my lordy. Torn labrum. Good lord. Okay, well, he's dead. Dude, stop riding people down. This has just been, Bumps. Bumps along the way. Adjustments, people. We'll make adjustments. Just making it. We'll make adjustments. Try to make it 16-0. Keep them in bounds. Jeez Louise. Just don't let him sneak up the middle. How does he not fumble? How does he not fumble? That was a clean hit, and he didn't fumble. That would have been a touchdown. All right, Aaron. We're going to make some adjustments. I'm going to get you 2 new receivers. John Ross, you're coming to the main lineup. It's time for Aaron Rodgers to meet John Ross. Will Fuller, I don't know what the hell's going on. You're usually pretty dependable. John Ross. And let's try this kid out. And you go to slot. Let's try play action. Pascal is in the slot still. Cool. That's not what I wanted, but that's fine. There we go. Nice catch. There we go. Who's that? Wilcox, the rookie. All right. What the hell was that? Don't get crazy now, Aaron. We need some points out of this drive. Get in there. There we go. Welcome to the team, Chase. Some people catching the ball. The jitters are gone. See if the defense can let us redeem ourselves. Let us redeem ourselves, defense. I know we've been screwing up. Make a stop. Make a stop. Attaboy. Make a stop, defense. Make a stop. Ooh. Okay. Third down. All right. Let's go defense. How come we can't get a fumble? That was exactly the play that happened to us. That's fine. Ooh, juke. Check your shoes, boys. Cohen, baby. I like it. Ross, take the... Ooh, Cohen. Break a tackle there, man. Ooh, get the first down. Third and short, Emmons. I don't know if you're up for the task, but let's see. You are. Good job. Oh, boy. That's fine. Okay. I had to take a shot. I thought that was good ball placement. That's just a good play on the defense. Dude, fumble that ball. Dude, Hutchie. Hutchie, baby. Dude, we're playing great ball. Defense is playing great. It was that friggin' bullshit fake field goal that got us. Come on, don't give this up. Nice tackle. Perfect. Jeff Okuda, baby. Aaron. It's all up to you, Aaron. Come on, make block. Block him. Come on, 28. Throw a block, player. Pascal seems to be the only one with really good hands. And he does it again! Yes, Pascal! Beautiful. I can't wait to see you as an Eagle. John Ross, you're going to make a play. Gotta make a play, John Ross. 3 interceptions. I'm so sorry, Aaron. Ooh, nice play, 52. Damn. Third and 9. Pascal. Damn it, dude. Dude. 4th and 9. John. John Ross. Wow, that would have made you a playmaker. Oh, I chose the wrong one. 3rd reception. Shit, dude. There we go! Big play. Bobby Wagner. Bobby! Go back to this play. It worked before. Oh, no. Shit. Undercut it. Big time. Shit. Well, first game is an L. Oh, why are they not fumbling? Dude. They're getting smacked in the face and they're not fumbling. His defense is nasty. Oh, that was a breaker. That was a breaker. That was a breaker, dude. We're going to have a little time left, Aaron, but no timeouts. No timeouts. Watch out, these bastards might try to fucking fake it. On the 1. Are you effing kidding me? I couldn't push the button. Good game. Fuck. I tried to push the button. I don't even think it would have mattered because I would have passed it to Y and he would have been tackled and I run off. That's game. Too many mistakes. Too many mistakes. Too many opportunities wasted. Aaron, you get an L, but that's fine. We'll be back. See these mofos in 2 weeks at Green Bay. Our offense will be better by then. 15 points. Defense gave up 15 points. I can't. It was me. I made the mistakes. Drop passes and stupid gameplay. But on to the next week. Aaron Rodgers' era starts a lot like the rest started. fine. All right. Till next week.